In today's video, I'm going to show you my morning journaling routine. I'm going to walk you through all the steps, show you how I create a perfect mood in the morning for journaling, and what I write about and what are the prompts. So you can hopefully get inspired and create your own routine. So journaling has been part of my life for a long time, and I discovered that for me this is the best way to process my emotions. I'm a lot in my head and it's just helping me a lot with structuring my thoughts, just processing and actually checking in with myself. I've been journaling for a long time, but it was always like on and off. Sometimes it was part of my routine, sometimes I forgot about it and I just journal when I felt like it. But last year I actually decided that I want journaling to be part of my routine. And I got to the point that I just can't start the day without writing down a few thoughts or affirmations in my journal, especially in the morning. I also do it in the evening, but it's more like a free journaling. I just write down a few thoughts before going to bed, but in the morning it's actually very structured what I do, and it depends on the month because I change my journal prompts each month, and each month it looks different. My friend and I, we started like a little passion project and we are making the leather journal covers. So these are actually our own design, and yeah. Right now I have a burgundy. We have a lot of different colors, leather, and right now I'm using the one from our new drop, and it's so beautiful. So right now I have two notebooks in this particular journal. So the first one is just for journaling in general, and the second one is specifically for morning pages. I'm also gonna show you my little journal cover. We have two sizes, and this one I'm just using for everyday. I always carry it in my bag and it just like for everyday things. So last year I was doing the artist way and morning pages became part of my morning routine. So I was doing both morning pages and then like journaling prompts, very simple ones. Every day it was like the same thing, but I liked having the routine of doing like the brain dump, and then just having more specific journal prompts that included positive affirmation and gratitude, which I'm gonna talk about later. But now I'm actually not doing the morning pages anymore. I simplified my morning routine a little bit. Morning pages take a lot of time, and I really recommend it. However, I don't think it's necessary for me anymore to do them. For me, the most important part in my journaling routine is to like set the mood. I really like to create like this cozy atmosphere in the morning when I feel like comfortable and all my senses are involved. It smells nice, I have like some coffee or tea in my hand, I use some hand cream and like lip balm. And I just like the luxurious feeling. So for me, it's not just like grabbing a pen and piece of paper. It's actually having like the nice things that make you feel luxurious and just like elevate your experience. So for me, it's like really important to have like good quality notebook, like my favorite pen, beautiful quality journal cover, a drink of choice that I enjoy, some like self-care things like lip balm and hand cream that smell nice, some incenses. So it's like really, for me, it's really about the experience. I always like really appreciate quality. I appreciate like the little like luxuries. But yes, let me just walk you through my actual journaling routine right now. So I usually do it in my bathrobe because I love the feeling of having like the bathrobe. It's so chic and it's also so comfortable and cozy. I always have something to drink, and it's either like tea or coffee. This time I have a coffee. It also depends if I eat like breakfast before or I do it after. But yeah, I just like having something to drink. I light an incense and I usually use either Palo Santo or I use just like regular incenses. I have a lot of different incenses. Some of them are from Bali, some of them I just like purchased somewhere. I don't know. I have, yeah, lots of incenses. I always use my favorite hand cream that smells amazing, and my skin always feels so nice and soft after. Then I also use my lip balm. I don't know, I just like doing that. I don't know why, but it's just like giving me this luxurious feeling. And then I start journaling. As I said, right now I have a little bit like simplified journaling routine, and it also depends on the month, but I usually do gratitude, which is like super important, like giving myself reason for being grateful and just actually trying to feel into it. And I take my time for that. Then I'm doing affirmations, positive affirmations. Depends on the month. For example, in February the month is love, so I'm doing like some love affirmation. And I also like picking a few affirmations and then just like keep repeating them. And then I write something like nice for myself, what I like about myself, or like a little like note to myself about the day, just like to hype myself up for the day basically. And then I'm also doing like a little check-in with myself, and I try to like recognize how I'm feeling right now. For me, it's first of all like being grounded. I know it's part of my everyday. It's just like routines like help you to stay grounded and like stable and give you like this sense of stability and security. And I feel like with journaling I have this sense of stability because it's a thing that never changes, and that will always be a part of my routine. Like I really focus to take my time, to slow down, relax, and just enjoy the rituals. It's like helping me to clear my mind, process my emotions, and to get out of my head. And also, for example, with morning pages, I felt like I was gaining a lot of clarity because I was like, right after waking up, I was just like writing down in my notebook, and all the creative ideas, everything, it was just like coming to me more easily. So yeah, these are the main topics I wanted to talk about in today's video. I hope you enjoy it, I hope you got inspired, and see you next time.